Say hi to the nice people at home. Okay, here we are, an evening run. The PR S1 RM on the new gearing setup. So we are now 75 spur and 32. No, sorry, 30. What? Oh, I can't even remember now. I think it's 32. 75 spur, 32 pinion. Okay. For context, I was in the last video 77 spur and 30 pinion. Okay. Oh, gadzooks. Yeah, this is gonna be fast. Yeah, that's ridiculous fast. Probably too fast. If there was such thing as too fast. All right, we gotta walk. I just wanted to get a couple speed runs in. Let's go. Pretty fun. This is a partially used pack too. This is not a fresh pack, by the way. I ran it up and down the street last night after I geared it. Oh, wow, that was crazy. It took it. Yeah, it's a little bit on the spicy side, huh? Which way are we going? Holy crap. This is, dude, yeah. Well, I didn't come up with the engineering specs and say, oh, here, I'll give you a 75 tooth pinion. And a lot of people run, so 4350 kV is a liken to 10.5 turn motor. So, and at the track, a lot of guys run right around 10.5 turn motor or 4000, 4500 kV. And so I'm well within engineering specs of the car. So, holy crap, dude, it just gets right off the line. I thought I was gonna lose a little torque, but no. Now I don't have any traction. So, yeah, I mean, they give you 4 spurs, a 73, 75, a 77, and an 83. This is the 75 and a 32 pinion, so there's still room to go taller, is what I'm saying, I guess. There's absolutely no need to go taller, by the way. There's the dog. He's so cute. The dog meaning Bear, not the wife. That's the wife and the dog, by the way. This thing screams. There's somebody come around that corner and crunch me. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm barely feathering the throttle, and sometimes when I'm in a turn, it just breaks loose. But these tires are already bald, so there's that. It is fun though. It is a fun car. Super fun car. I'd recommend this build to anyone, honestly. It's not that technical. It's not that hard of a build. I didn't find it hard. The Team Associated stuff is way more technical and wonky, you know? 10 different screw sizes, standard and metric blended, you know? Shaving off material, bending this, fabricating that. There's none of that in this kit. There's like 3 screw sizes plus the motor mount stuff, and most of it, 80% of it, is 2mm hex. So you tell me what a better build is. I mean, Don't get me wrong, I love team associated stuff. I have just 5 of them, so yeah, I like team associated stuff. But these are just way more precise. These are just, in my opinion, more well thought out. I mean, it's a PR race buggy. Woo! Spicy. Yeah, this thing's fun. So let's just enjoy this a little. Throw a song on now. Now that I have a bunch extra 48 pitch pinions though, I'm gonna start gearing up everything. I'm gonna gear up my RC10Ts. Come out of this driveway. Slow down a little. Also, I changed my camera in the rear to see if I could get more grip. That thing was easy less. Yeah, those tires are good. Okay, I got more better. Those hot laps are going well. Let's take it. Hi there. What's up, bud? How you doing?
alternating low voltage.